Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered that how we can send SMS using Python and the A9G module. So we were sending the AT command to this A9G module, and based on the AT command the A9G module will send SMS to that particular number with the message body. Okay, we can define the static number and the static message body, or we can create the dynamic system as well, in which Python will ask user to provide the phone number and provide the message body. Okay, so both the things are possible and we have covered both of the things. Now in this video what we are going to do is we are going to send text messages to MQTT broker using this A9G module. So we are not going to use the Wi-Fi internet. Okay, we are going to use the cellular internet to connect with the MQTT broker, and we are going to publish the data to MQTT broker with this A9G module. All the process will be on the cellular internet, not on the Wi-Fi internet. Okay, so this will be the diagram for us. Our Python will running inside Raspberry Pi or Windows operating system, which will connect to the A9G module serially. Okay, and Python will send AT command to this A9G module to connect with MQTT broker to publish the data on MQTT broker. Okay, so we will create a Python script. Okay, I have already created. Okay, in which we will define the list of AT command to connect with the MQTT broker and to publish the data on MQTT broker. And here we are not going to use the Wi-Fi, we are going to use the cellular internet. Okay, so A9G module having a SIM card, and in the SIM card A9G module is going to use the 2G internet, and it will publish the data to MQTT broker. It will create a connection with MQTT broker, it will disconnect the connection with MQTT broker. Everything will be done using the AT commands. If you refer the documentation of the A9G board, then you will find all the AT command to do this. Okay, but in which sequence we have to do it, that is most important. So in this video we are going to see everything. Okay, so in this video what we are going to do is we are going to just send the test messages to MQTT broker, and with the help of MQTT Explorer software, which is MQTT client software, we are going to read that message. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear. So here is our Python script. Okay, so first of all we have to import the necessary libraries. So I have imported the serial and time. Okay, here I am not going to use the PAHO library because PAHO library is using my system resources to connect with the MQTT broker, but I don't want to use my system. Okay, I want to use the cellular internet. Okay, so that is why I am not going to use PAHO anymore, and I am going to use the A9G AT command to connect with the MQTT broker and to publish the data on MQTT broker. Okay, so here is the default function to send AT command. So it will write AT command or send AT command to this A9G module serially, and here is a function to connect with MQTT broker. Okay, so it will send 1 2 3 and 4 AT command to A9G module to connect with desired MQTT broker. Then after, this is the function to publish messages to MQTT broker. Okay, you can see AT plus MQTT pub, and here we will provide the topic, in which topic we want to publish the message, and here we will provide the message that in the topic what message should be published. Okay, so here we will send one AT command to A9G board. So based on that AT command, A9G board will publish the data on the MQTT broker, and here is the function to disconnect from the MQTT broker. Okay, and here is our main code. I can cut this. Okay, and I can add it here. Sorry. Okay, here is the MQTT broker details. So here is the IP address, or you can say the host ID of my MQTT broker. Okay, here is the port number to connect with my MQTT broker. My MQTT broker doesn't have any username and password, so I'm going to leave these two things blank. And here is the MQTT topic in which I want to publish the data. Okay, you can change the topic as per your requirement, but this is the test or demo thing, so that is why I'm going to use the test topic. Okay, now in the main code what we are going to do is we are creating object for serial communication, in which we will open the connection with the COM5, so we can send the AT command to this A9G board, and then after we will try to connect with the MQTT broker. So you can see connect to MQTT, so we are using this function, and this function is this function. Okay, connect to MQTT, so it will send 4 AT command to this A9G module Okay, you can see send command. So this connect to MQTT function is using send command function, and here is the send command function. Okay, so it will send 480 command to this A9G module to create connection with MQTT broker. Okay, once the connection is created, we are going to publish the data. So you can see I'm going to use the publish message function. And where is the public message function? You can see publish message. Okay, so what publish message function required is topic and the message. So here you can see I have provided the MQTT topic, and the MQTT topic is here. Okay, and the message I'm going to send is, this is the test message. Okay, so once we publish our test message, we are going to disconnect from the MQTT broker, and we are going to close the serial connection. Okay, so let's try. Okay, so I'm going to connect with my MQTT broker here. I'm going to make it small, and I'm going to put it here. Okay, and then we will run all the cells one by one. So I'm running all the cells one by one. Okay, now here is the main code. So this will first connect with our MQTT broker, and then after it will publish the data, and then after it will disconnect. Okay, so let me run this main function. You can see connecting to MQTT broker, and then after successful connection, you will see connected to MQTT broker, publishing test message, and test message published. And here you can see this is the test message what we have specified here. Okay, this is my cloud MQTT broker. You can see this is not my local MQTT broker. Okay, this is my cloud MQTT broker. So A9G board, just a minute, let me connect. So A9G board will use internet to connect with cloud MQTT broker, and then it will send the data, or it will send the message, and then it will disconnect. If I want to update the message, or if I want to send some different message, and I am modifying my message here. Okay, this is the test message 2, and I'm going to run this function or main program, and in a few moments you will see the message here. Okay, you can see this is the test message 2. And now if I want to send the third test message, then I can type 3 here, and then I can again run this main code, and it will send the new message to this topic. Okay, you can see this is the test message -3. Okay, so this is how you can use Python with this A9G module to connect with any cloud MQTT broker, and whatever data we are supplying to this A9G module, this will publish that data to MQTT broker. Okay, it can be your any MQTT broker. It can be Mosquito broker, it can be Amazon Web Services broker, Azure broker, or Cloud MQTT broker, or Hive MQ broker, MQX broker, anything. Okay, it can be any cloud broker. You can use A9G board to connect with any broker, and it will publish that data to that broker, and your work can be done. Okay, so this is how it is going to be work. So we are sending the AT commands from Python to this A9G board with the data. Okay, and based on that data, A9G board will send it to MQTT broker over the 2G internet, and we are going to read the data anywhere in the world from any MQTT client software. It can be your Ignition SCADA software, it can be your CAP server, it can be Node-RED, anything. Okay, so you just have to buy cloud MQTT broker, or you just have to set up your own cloud MQTT broker, and A9G board will send that data to your broker, and from any client all over the world you can read that data. Okay, so this is what we have done in the code. So first of all, we have imported the necessary function and library. Then after, we have set up the MQTT broker details. Okay, MQTT broker IP address, MQTT broker port number, MQTT broker username, MQTT broker password, username, password, and MQTT broker topic in which we want to publish the data. Then after, this function is used to send AT command to the A9G board, okay, serially. So this is a default function which we will use in every code whenever we want to send AT command to A9G board. After that, this function will connect to the MQTT broker using 2G internet. Okay, and 2G card will be inside this A9G board on the back side. So it will send 4 command, okay, and in the last command it will send host id or host ip, port number, username and password. Okay, if you don't have any username and password, then you will leave these 2 things blank. Okay, so there is no issue with it. After that, whenever you want to publish the message, you have to publish you have to provide topic and the message. Okay, so once you provide the topic and message, it will publish that data to that topic, and that message will be visible under that topic. Okay, and here is the function to disconnect with MQTT broker, and here is the main function. You can use while loop here to continuously publish the data to MQTT broker. Okay, and however you want to design, you can design after that. So it's up to you how you want to use it. Okay, if you want to convert your Modbus data into MQTT data, then you can use it. If you want to convert your backnet data to MQTT, then also you can use it. If you want to convert your OPC UA data to MQTT, then also you can use it. And if you want to convert OPC DA data to MQTT, then also you can use it. Okay, so if you want to convert your any industrial protocol to MQTT, then you can use this A9G module as a gateway. So it will convert, Python can connect with any industrial protocol. Okay, Python can read data from any industrial protocol, so it will connect to that so Python will read data from any industrial protocol, and then after we can create a JSON file or create a JSON kind of object, and we can send it to A9G board, and A9G board will send the data to MQTT broker, and on the other side we have our data. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear, and if you still have any question or any doubt, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp. You can also modify the code as per your requirement, but I have created the modular structure, so you can use this function however you want to use it. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear, and in this video what we are doing is we are running this main code every time whenever we want to publish the data. Okay, but in the next video we are not going to do that. We are going to use the while loop to publish the random value to our MQTT topic, okay, with the same setup. So we are going to use the same function, we are going to use the same program, but we will little bit modify our main code to continuously publish the random values to our MQTT broker. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear, and if you still have any doubt, then you know where to ask. So in the next video we will send random data to MQTT broker using Python and the A9G board. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.